In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix non-tradable symbol in Tradingview. Now, all you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. This is an easy and quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, if you go ahead and click on the buy icon that's in the top left, this message will pop up for you. You can trade the symbol using this broker. All you have to do is to go select the broker you have. Then go ahead to the left, click on this icon, select see the brokers list, and then choose another broker that supports this chart. Just click on it. Now click on connect. This is paper trading. And now you can go ahead click on buy. So as you can see, the non-tradable symbol did not pop up. So this was an easy quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.